Hi there, excuse me, this is Penelope. This is part 2 of the number bases video. I got unexpectedly cut short at the very end. I hadn't quite finished, so this is the last calculation for the last video. We were looking at converting this thing with the F's and the B's in it. So we had F9BD. And remember, these are representing powers of 16, etc. Now, it makes sense if you actually convert the F and the B and the D to the corresponding numbers. So F is 15, B is 11, and D is 13. And now we can just do it as before. That's 15 times 16 to the power of 3, plus 9 times 16 to the power of 2, plus 11 times 16 to the power of 1, plus 13 times 16 to the power of 0, which is 63933 in base 10. Let's add a new slide. Now, the reason that this is quite important is in the field of computer graphics. And if you work on web pages and graphics programs, you might find it useful to convert between the RGB values for if you've got an image in your graphics program and the hexadecimal values for a matching background color on your web page. Now, graphics programs deal with RGB, which is red, green, blue values for your colors. And each of the components of these colours have values somewhere between 0 and 25. What you do, now let's see if I can do this. There we are. Now I've actually got a converter here simply because it speeds up the calculation. If you've got the RGB colours, you can convert them to hexadecimal values. If you divide it, so we've got here 990033. If I can't write on that for some reason. If I divide them into groups of 2, so it's 99 space 00 space 33, and I convert them to RGB by way of saying, well, 99 in base 16 is 153 in our base 10, and 00 is obviously 0, and 33 in base 16 is our number 51. Now, what is useful is to be able to find the colour, the inverse colour that it kind of works to write in text on the colour that we've chosen. So we've chosen this reddy brown colour, and if we find the inverse colour, now the colour that we've chosen is 153051. If we take 153 away from 255, and 255, there are 255 digits in base 16 if you go up 16 squared. So 255 minus 153 is 102, 255 minus 0 is 255, and 255 minus 51 is 204. And then if we convert those numbers into hexadecimal, so if we convert our 102 into base 16, we get 66. If we convert 255 in base 10 into hexadecimal, we get FF. And if we convert 204 into hexadecimal, we get CC. So then you can see that reddy brick colour, if that's your background page on your website, then that funny coloured turquoisey green would be an ideal colour to write your graphics with. So that's just a little bit of fun thing that you can do with hexadecimal and RGB.